Welcome to this introduction class for your free LiveView course. It's not only a to-do app. You're going to learn a lot of techniques related to real-time, context, LiveView, components, forms, plus you're going to learn a lot of powerful techniques using Tailwind. Also, Tailwind is a mobile-first framework CSS. We're going to learn techniques to use that. So this is a LiveView application where, as you can see, you have the layout using the Tailwind, and we are thinking of using the mobile-first techniques to prepare the layout. Plus, as you can see, you have a list, and then when we have validation, if we have nothing task, you're gonna see a fantastic message saying that you don't have any task yet. You're gonna create some styles and LiveView and update stuff. I hope you enjoyed this free LiveView course. This is a just introduction about the project that you're gonna learn and we're gonna build it together. Plus, if you wanna learn Elixir faster, click on the link below because I prepared a free class for you to learn Elixir in only 3 months. Bye bye.